Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium Beginner Guide step by step clearly. First, unpack your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium from the box. Locate the included mounting plate and screws. Use a level to ensure the mounting plate is straight on the wall. Mark the screw holes with a pencil for placement. Drill pilot holes if necessary, especially for drywall or concrete. Secure the mounting plate to the wall with screws. Remove your existing thermostat from the wall carefully. Take a photo of the wiring for reference. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. Match the wires from your old thermostat to the Ecobee's labeled connectors. Use the wire labels included with the Ecobee to identify each wire. Insert each wire into the corresponding terminal on the Ecobee. Gently push the wires back into the wall while securing the thermostat onto the mounting plate. Connect the power adapter if your system requires it, following the provided instructions. Turn your power back on at the circuit breaker. The Ecobee will initiate a startup process once powered on. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password when prompted. Sync the Ecobee with the Ecobee app on your smartphone. Create or log in to your Ecobee account when requested. Adjust your preferences for home and away settings as needed. Set your desired temperature schedule for energy efficiency. Explore additional settings such as smart home integration or geofencing. Once setup is complete, familiarize yourself with the thermostat's touchscreen features. Congratulations! Your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.